Hello everyone, so how to install VoterPal app on iOS. So here's the exact name of the app. You can just go to search and search for VoterPal. That's the app. For people new for iPhone or iOS, this is the app where you need to go, App Store, and here in the top right you need to sign in into your Apple ID. And then you can just tap Get. Use your Face ID or Touch ID or just the password, and the app will start installing. So you can just scan your ID for a quick start. You can do simple voter registration in minutes, either for you or your friends. Type your info, there is instructions. You get a PDF form. So this way you just register. And the whole process only takes like few minutes, and there you have it. So that's how it works, and hope it is helpful.